The bees and the honeybees in this log have actually been here at Taronga Zoo Education Centre for about 3 years. We actually got them because we have a sleepover program here at the zoo for children, and one of the parents who stayed one night with his son actually suggested that we could get this tree because it had actually been on a freeway that was going to be demolished, and they wanted to save the tree because this was such an unusual thing, seeing native bees and honeybees so close together. So they suggested that we could have it here at the zoo, and it's been absolutely brilliant in terms of teaching children about native bees and about honeybees and cooperation within the ecosystem.
The Australian apiary industry is heavily dependent on public lands managed by governments.
Access to our native forests on public lands and on freehold lands is critical to the production of honey, to the maintenance of significant honeybee populations to do that job. But it is becoming even more and more significant today that those same populations that are built up through the migration of apiaries through our freehold and public lands of Australia, becoming increasingly important that it is from these populations that is drawn the honeybee crop pollination resource for our agricultural and horticultural industries.
All the different wildflowers we have in Australia, what a diverse range of their shapes and the flower sizes and colours. And we have 2,000 species of native bees, which are important pollinators of our wildflowers. And so it's important to have tiny bees to go for the tiny flowers and huge bees to go for the flowers that need the pollen to be shaken out and to be vigorously vibrated to get the pollen out of the flowers. So it's important that we maintain the diversity of our native bees so that our beautiful wildflowers that we value so much are pollinated properly.